Today we came up with an interesting concept that is on the MS Excel trick that you can use it while sorting the data for your team. Okay, so today we will learn about regex extract function in the MS Excel. This is the advanced level function, guys, and before moving to such kind of functions, I would request everyone, please go back to our videos, check out our all the basic MS Excel related playlist. You will find all the information, basic MS Excel videos, and just learn that first, then you can jump to this particular function, because these all functions required some techniques so that we can easily grab the information. Also, just check out our playlist. You will find information on trainers, team leaders, quality analyst, WFM analyst, Six Sigma certification, MS Excel reports, dashboards, Scrum Master, Looker Studio, Google Data Studio, people management, KPIs. Many more videos are there, guys, that will help you in cracking the interviews. Okay, let's start today's concept, that is on regex extract function. In order to start this function, first of all we have to understand all this cheat code, guys. Okay, so I'll go with step by step. First thing, let's go with the example. So in this example, you can see I have a name, then I have employee ID. Okay, so you can see a name, then employee ID, name, then employee ID, and I want to like separate it. How I can do that? You can use concatenate function, you can use left, you can use many more function, but at advanced level, if you use regex extract function, it will give you a wonderful information, guys. Okay, how we can use that? In order to use this, we have to use some formulas. Okay, what formulas we will use? So first I will use equal to regex extract. Okay, this is done. Then what I will use, I will give bracket. Okay, I need data from this combined data, then comma. Okay, now what I required, okay, sorry, comma. Now what I required the exact full name. So here are the cheat codes. So if you want to display the text, you can use A to Z in the brackets. Let's use this, guys. Okay, so let me use this, bracket open, capital A to Z, bracket close. Okay, now if I use only this, it will give me only first letter, which is P, but I need the entire information. Let me show you an example. See, it has given me only P, but I need the complete information. What I will do, after completion of this function, I will use plus sign. Okay, oh sorry. Okay, after completion of this function, I will use the plus sign so that I will get the complete information. Okay, I did not receive. Let me recheck. Okay, sorry, A to small z, my mistake, because our letters start with the capital and ends with the small letter, right? So capital A to small z, I have to use this. If I use this, I will get the complete first name. Now I need a full name, which means I need like entire details. Okay, so to do that, what cheat code I can use? So instead of A to Z, what I will do, I will just go back in the formula. Okay, instead of A to Z, I will use okay, I will use forward slash and W. Okay, if I use that, I will get entire character. You can see here I got the entire character, right? Now I need, if I used W, I will get the entire number. That is not required. Okay, now this is done. Yes, this is done. Now next, what next? Now I need the name also. So you can see we have one more name, that is Jane. So how could I get that? Okay, to do that, we will use the formula once again. Okay, to do that, what you have to do, you have to add this A to Z one more time. You can see here, right? First I have added A to Z, then plus, then I close the bracket. Now you have to give space, and again if you don't give space, this will not come. Again space, then A to Z and plus and enter. You will get the complete full name here, right? Makes sense? Now I need the numbers. Okay, so what a formula I will use, equal to reg extract, okay, and bracket open, and you can see here I have chosen the function, I have chosen the cell which is F10. okay, in the F10, now bracket open, I need to choose, instead of A to Z I will use 0 to 9, okay, 0 to 9, then I will use plus sign. If I use that plus sign, automatically it will extract the numerical values whatever we have available there, right? Makes sense, guys? This is very easy. So far what we have covered A to Z and 0 to 9. These all are the cheat codes you can use, guys, okay? Next, now we have few more cheat codes, we will learn it here, right? So now if we required only text, then what we will use W, guys. In this we will use W if I only require the text. Now sometimes you required, see here in this third example, if you use capital W, what will happen? Okay, it will give you, apart from this text and number, whatever is available, it will give you that information if you used capital W. So capital will give you non-word information, which means like apostrophe s, or if you have exclamatory sign, question mark, or anything. If you required that particular information, instead of small w, you can use capital W, right? Now if I use small d, what I will get? Let's see here. Okay, if I use small d, I received number. Why I have received number? Let me show you an example here. You can see here. Okay, I have used d, I got the number. Now I can use 0 to 9 also, but this d will play an important role. This will give me a digit. If I don't use plus, it will give me the first value, which means 1. Okay, and if I use, instead of capital D, if I use small d, sorry, instead of small d, if I use capital D, and if I use plus, so what it will give me? It will give me, apart from this number, whatever information we have apart from this number. So capital D means shortcut for non-digital numbers, okay, non-digital numbers, right? Capital D. So if I use capital D, I got the non-digital number. If I use small d, I will get the digital numbers here, right? So this is a difference between all these cheat codes, guys. So if I use like //w, I'll get the word character. If I use capital W, then I'll get the non-word. Small s basically used for the spacing. If you want to segregate anything with the space, I will use small s. A to Z with all the characters, 0 to 9 for all the numbers. Small d basically used for the digital digits, numeric numbers, and capital D if you want to show the data reversely, which means non-digital numbers. So this is also done. You can see here everything is easy. Now one more we will do. Now here it gave me let me show you an example. Yes, here you go. Okay, now what happened here? You can see here, if I use small s, and if I want like last name, okay, I want the last name. So how can I get first name? If I need only first name, then I will not use 2 times this function. I can directly use this function. I'll get the first name. I need the last name, so you can use this function in this way. You can see here, regex extract, F18 is our cell, then /w, then plus, then small s and space, which means it will give the space between here, and again it is asking /w, which means it will give me the information after the space, which is Jane, right? So in this way we can get the small digit numbers also. So in this way we can use the regex extract function, guys. These are the cheat codes you have to follow.